Hey everyone, well I'm thrilled to be with Teresa Hernandez. She's the owner of Casa del Sol Cocina Mexicana. Did I say that right? Yeah. Well listen, I wanted to showcase Teresa and her restaurant today, but listen, there's a lot of Mexican restaurants. What makes you guys different? What is it?
Well, I think our best plate is our mariachi. It's Mariachi Sol de Mexico de Jose Hernandez, which is my husband.
Nice.
And they're a world-renowned mariachi group that has been nominated 8 times for a Grammy.
Wow.
And they travel the world.
Wow.
And they, the Orange County residents are fortunate enough to hear them on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night playing at Casa del Sol here at the district in Tustin.
Oh my gosh.
And then we have a strolling quartet mariachi Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And when on special occasions, my husband has an all-female group, the first female group in the United States called Mariachi Reina de Los Angeles, which means Queen of Los Angeles.
Weren't they playing here tonight?
And they're playing here this evening.
Okay,
yes.
I have to tell you, when I walked in tonight and I saw not 1, not 2, but 8 female mariachi performers, I've never seen such a thing,
Yes.
and they are fabulous.
So we're a family-run business, but we have a lot of history here.
Yes.
And I think we've got great food, great margaritas, a great ambiance for people.
Yeah.
And we're right in the heart of the district, so we're right off the
Fantastic.
55
Yep.
and the 5, easy to get to.
Yes. Well, I've been here twice, and once again, what I love about it has that family feel, but the food is fantastic. Of course, the drinks are, well, we don't even need to talk about the drinks. And once again, it's all about really supporting local businesses, local restaurants. We want to eat, drink, sleep, and play where we live, of course.
And it's just something really cool for Orange County, because Orange County, yes, there are other Mexican restaurants,
Yes.
but there's no Mexican restaurant anywhere in Orange County that offers the kind of entertainment, and experience that we
Yes.
offer.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so what are your hours? Tell people.
We are open every day, but Monday we close. And we're open Tuesday through Thursday from 11 to 9, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 11 until midnight.
Okay, well, once again, to come out for great Mexican food and drink and to see her husband's band, who's award-winning. I mean, that's absolutely crazy. So once again, Teresa, thank you so much for coming down to Orange County and working where you live now, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, so head on up to Casa del Sol and you'll be happy that you did. And once again, shop local, support local, eat and drink local. Thank you, Teresa.
Come on down. Can't wait to see you.